Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, two grill brands will be going head to head. We have the Napoleon Prestige 500 and the Weber Genesis SX335. With countless grills on the market, we're here to bring you the absolute best. In this video, we'll determine the king among kings. The Napoleon Prestige 500, rated 5 badges from our team, takes on the Weber Genesis SX335, rated 4 badges. Only one can emerge victorious in today's brand wars, so stay tuned until the end. If you are interested in other grills that we have reviewed, do check out our review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. We'll be taking a look at both grills from the ground up, starting with their casters. The Weber Genesis underwent a number of upgrades from its previous model, and one of them was its casters. You can see that it has metal casters, and both the front ones lock in place to ensure stability while cooking. The Napoleon has lockable casters. They are solid, no doubt, but unlike the Genesis, its casters are made from plastic. Based on the casters build, we're going to give 1 point to the Weber Genesis in this round. Examining their pedestals, both grills offer similar functionality. Weber keeps its propane tank inside its pedestal, as well as a handy small storage drawer. It also features a side storage drawer that our team believes is extremely handy and functional, as it can store items vertically. The Napoleon has doors that look and feel pretty much the same compared to the Weber. However, it doesn't have a side storage drawer, unlike its competitor. Based on these facts, we'll award another point to Weber in this round, primarily due to its inclusion of the side storage drawer. Moving on the control panels, the Weber has a pretty basic setup and there's not much going on here except for its lit-up adjustment knobs. However, it does have smart features which allow you to monitor its settings using an application and get real-time food temperature alerts, flip and serve notifications, and reminders on the grill or on your phone. The Napoleon, on the other hand, is a lot more eye-catching in terms of lighting. They have a blue-colored light when the grill is activated, and when the burners are on, the light turns red. Now we can say that functionality-wise, these grills perform excellently. However, what made the Weber Genesis stand out is its smart features, which the Napoleon lacks. That being said, we'll be giving them another point yet again. Next up, we'll be looking at the side shelves. You'll immediately see that the Weber has larger side shelves compared to the Napoleon. However, if you're in a compact space, the Napoleon's shelves are retractable, making it more unique. This is more of a user's preference than anything else, but it doesn't stop there. Let's look at their side burners. Weber has a standard side burner, and it's a solid piece of equipment, but there's nothing really special about what the Genesis has to offer. The Napoleon side burner, on the other hand, features a cast iron cooking grate and a ceramic infrared burner, which makes it a lot more functional than the competitor. You can also set the cooking grate up high, allowing you to sear steaks. Well, it's pretty clear who has the advantage in this round. The Napoleon's highly functional side burner that allows you to sear steaks and whatnot using infrared heat makes it far superior to what Weber has to offer. That being said, Napoleon wins this round by a landslide. Now let's shift our focus to the inside of the grill. Both Weber and Napoleon offer solid 304 stainless steel cooking grates, which are quite similar. However, Napoleon incorporates wave rod technology, enhancing the cooking process and minimizing spills, unlike Weber's straight grills. Despite the difference, they are essentially on par with each other. When examining the firebox, it's worth noting that both grills provide even cooking. However, Weber introduces something unique called Weber Crafted in its latest models. This includes a small insert that enables a 60-40 split, allowing for additional accessories like pizza stones, wok bowls, cast iron sear stations, and wedgie baskets. These accessories enhance the grill's functionality, providing versatility for various cooking options. On the other hand, Napoleon offers a cast iron charcoal tray and a rotisserie wing basket, enabling the preparation of chicken wings, veggies, fries, and more. Considering every detail, both grills offer enjoyable experiences with their internal accessories. They possess their own versatility, making it difficult to determine a clear advantage. Therefore, we'll conclude this round with a tie. Now let's discuss the most crucial part of the grill: the burner. The Weber grill features a single burner point running along its length, while the Napoleon grill has dual burner ports. Additionally, it's essential to consider the weight and build of the burners. After weighing them, we found that the Weber burner weighs 11.2 ounces while the Napoleon burner weighs 15 ounces, making the Napoleon burner approximately 4 ounces heavier. Based on all of these, it's evident that the Napoleon is more durable and heavy-duty. Therefore, we'll award this round to Napoleon. Let's proceed to the operation of the burners. For a Weber, we'll have to push the button to the left of the grill and turn the knob. It does have a sear station where it has 4 of the same burners. Upon testing, the burner does get up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, which definitely gives you a sear. Basically, each individual unit has its own igniter, but you do have to use 2 hands to activate the fire. On top of that, when one burner goes off because of the wind, it stays off without having the chance of reigniting. Napoleon, on the other hand, only requires you to use 1 hand when activating the fire. On top of that, each of Napoleon's burners has its own individual igniter, so it's a convenient one-hand, one-step process. Another thing worth mentioning is that when one burner goes out, it automatically reignites itself thanks to the coupler in between each burner. So from a functionality standpoint, Napoleon takes this round. In this final round, there is no comparison to be made as the Weber grill lacks a rotisserie kit. The Napoleon grill, on the other hand, includes a rotisserie kit complete with a motor, spit, forks, and an additional burner. It also boasts an independent control system providing enhanced functionality. Clearly, with the Napoleon featuring a dedicated infrared rotisserie burner, which the Weber lacks, it is clear that this final round unequivocally goes to the Napoleon. Considering the price-to-perform ratio, both units offer good value for the money. While the Weber grill is slightly cheaper and has standout smart features, the most crucial aspect of a grill is its performance within the firebox, where Napoleon emerges as the superior choice. Let's summarize these points. The Weber Genesis boasts better casters, an efficient smart control system, and convenient features like a pedestal and side shelf. However, these factors do not significantly impact the cooking experience. With that in mind, Weber receives a total of 4 points. On the other hand, the Napoleon grill excels in areas such as heavy-duty burners, an efficient ignition system, the ability to infrared sear at high temperatures, and a dedicated rotisserie kit. These features directly influence the cooking process and hold more weight in our expert opinion. Napoleon earns a total of 5 points. With Napoleon leading by 1 point in today's brand wars and offering superior functionality within the firebox, we confidently declare Napoleon the king in the world of grills. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Napoleon Prestige 500 and the Weber Genesis SX335 has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next grill face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at thetrustedshoppingguide.com again soon.